All right, guys. So I've learned a few things in this process. Um, I've got the bolts out, and I had gotten the Harbor Freight kit, the 12-piece screw extractor kit, but the drill bits would not drill the bolts. I went to I went to AutoZone, and this thing cut through it like butter. And then ran this screw extractor into it. They came right out. So I re-drilled them, I retapped them. I got longer shank bolts, as you can see from the other one. The shank is a lot longer, but that's what I wanted, because right now this doesn't even come out the other side. I've got it backwards here, but you see what I'm saying. So I wanted the flange to go through there and into the wheel a little bit, and that is why I drilled these with a larger bit, just enough for that flange to sit in before rethreading the bolt. So that's where I'm at. Any tips, anything else other than that would be appreciated. I did get some red thread locker, and we'll see what happens.